Hey guys, I'm Brittany.
I'm Nyoka.
And welcome to our YouTube channel. Cheers. And benches. Okay, so we did a Q&A on Instagram and you guys gave us a lot of feedback with questions. So we're gonna answer a few of those today. My first question that I chose was, you don't live in Jamaica anymore? Ooh. No.
We should actually introduce ourselves. So I'm actually from Portmore, Jamaica. And you're from?
Kingston, Jamaica.
Yeah.
In the heart
So
of Kingston.
I don't live in Jamaica no more. I migrated when after sixth form. So I've been here 7 years now. How about you?
Fresh off on the boat.
She literally just come like yesterday.
A couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
For school.
Yeah.
So that's
so you'll see the difference. Yeah, like I'm like seasoned and she's just like fresh.
Yeah, she's like real Canadian.
I'm like Canadian though.
She even like talking.
No, I don't. I'm like super Jamaican.
Yeah.
Nothing that changed.
Say a boat.
No. Oh. You're stupid. She's stupid. So somebody asked me, the first question I got was, do I own the jet in the background of the photos that I always say? So I'll insert a photo of what she's talking about somewhere on the screen. And no, I don't own the jet. Like, I'm not rich, honey. I'm not rich, but not yet. I aspire to own a jet real soon, but for now, no jet. But just watch out.
Watch out for this.
Watch out.
Where did you guys meet? We met in high school about 13 years ago. Yeah,
13 years ago. That's
old.
Yeah. That's a decade still. Yeah, we're old. My question now. And it's funny because my question was, how long have you guys been friends? So you just kind of answer that. So it's been 13 years. Yeah, so we just answer that. So that question is just like one.
What has your time been like in Canada so far? I guess that's
both of us? Or
yeah, you can answer that too.
Me?
Yeah. Okay. Well, for me, it's been really interesting and I'm actually really excited for this next chapter in my life because it's something that I've been praying for.
Yeah.
You know, so.
But what has it been like? Like, you can probably give them two things that you're experiencing now.
Probably the only black person, and
yeah, that's a
not really the only black, but like probably two, like I'm not used to being in like
a minority.
Yeah,
so pretty much you're like you stand out in your class. So she's pretty much like one out of two black
culture,
people.
like definitely in my class. That's something new for me.
Yeah.
You probably wouldn't understand until you're in the situation.
Yeah, it sounds crazy, but when you're here, because like when I migrated, I was always the only black person. Or if there's another black person, it's a black Canadian.
Yeah.
But yeah, my experience in Canada has been, it changed. So like when I just came, it was like a lot of culture shock and a lot to digest, and now it's like really familiar and it's like home and it's like my comfort zone and my safety net. So like I came here straight out of high school, so I was way younger than my maturity level.
Yeah.
Like I never did understand certain concepts, and then
vulnerable
and everything, and now it's like I'm more mature. So like my experience changed with maturity. So the next question is, what is your favorite song? My favorite song is Alkaline Mirage. I hope I pronounced that right, but hopefully we can insert a little audio of it of my favorite song. I don't know if that's allowed, but we'll insert the song somewhere here. And your favorite song?
Mine, I'm not really a song person, like
no,
music.
she don't know music, none at all.
Do you know that sounds really bad? Alright, I don't know names of songs and like artists, but once the song starts playing, I'll know it. My favorite song is Bossy. You know which song?
Yeah.
Is this? My turn.
Yeah.
Where is the most interesting place you've ever traveled to?
Yeah, for me, you have one?
Not really. Not like our trip.
Yeah.
We trip to Miami.
We have a girls trip to Miami, and that was really dope. Like really, actually,
that
really
was memories inserted.
And my most interesting place is I've been to Disney World. I was probably around 8 or
You went to Disney World.
I did.
Like,
I did.
Shut the.
Yeah, it was before high school though. I was like in prep school. For real.
That must have been dope.
Yeah,
I
it
was
was
obsessed
dope.
with Disney, like when I was younger. Like.
Yeah. That was one of my first, not first places, but that was one of the most standout places that I visited. Like it's super, there's lots of details. Like it was nice. And I would go back to Disney World with my kids.
Okay, your turn.
My turn?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What is your biggest fear? What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear. Cockroaches, maybe?
Really?
Not the ones that just crawl, guys, like the ones that have wings. Like, I don't see the point of them having wings. Like, why did God have to make them with wings? Like, no, they're not supposed to. They're gross. Like, and then you're gonna add wings to them. Like, come on, like.
It kind of gross too. Like, I wouldn't want a cockroach to like pitch on me.
Oh yeah, try to kill them and then just disappear from in front of you, like, and you don't know where they're gone. Like,
you're supposed
no,
to
I'm like
stay down.
done. Like, I mean, a cockroach will crawl like this, like fine, just step in it.
But like,
once that shit start flying, like,
you're over it.
I'm done. Done.
Well, my biggest fear would be cats. Like, I hate cats. Not hate like hurt them, but like I think cats are super creepy. Like the most creepy thing on earth. Like, why? Like, them just seem so like smart, but like I don't know. It's just like cats give me the creep altogether. Yeah. And then I actually start self-reflect and I'm like, okay, why do I hate cats? And I don't know, maybe because I had pet birds and like them always seem to want to try to kill my birds.
My next question was, what are you most passionate about?
Me? I'm most passionate about making that big. Yeah,
I think we both are.
Yeah.
We both are right now. Yeah.
So that's what I'm passionate
I would have to say the same.
Yeah, financial freedom. My turn. So this person asked, I think this is a really good question because I never actually thought about it. And the question is, give me some tips that you guys use to maintain a long distance friendship. So obviously I was in Canada as soon as I left high school, and Brittany was always in Jamaica, and she recently moved here. So like this person is asking, what are the tips that we use to maintain our best friend relationship? You have any tips?
I would have to say not just long distance, but I think this really helps a lot, is just accepting your friend for who she is as a person, her personality. A lot of times we as people just, you know, we want to find that similarity in people, but we have to understand that people are different. We're gonna have conflict, obviously, but it's just knowing that I love you no matter what.
That's your tip.
Yeah.
But my tip is, like, since I was the one that migrated, so I had to actually I feel like I had to actively keep that relationship with Jamaica. So like using the internet, using like social media, like WhatsApp platform and video calling, and like actually communicating all the time and keeping updated with our daily lives. So we have a WhatsApp group, and we just always talk every day. And obviously like get busy here and there, but once the group get dry, we're like, okay, what's going on? So I think it's your turn.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing to do for fun?
For fun?
I think you're doing it now. Drink. Cheers.
You make me seem like an alcoholic.
I'm kidding.
Am I an alcoholic?
No, I think it's normal.
Yeah,
normal.
Canadian
We're the normal, yeah.
Yeah. I drink. I watch YouTube a lot. I watch reality TV.
I'm not really a social media person either. All of this is like kind of new for me. I mean, you guys will learn my personality again.
She's not. She's never been. Like, I don't think
I've
she'll
never
watch
watched
Love and Hip Hop.
No, what's that?
Shit.
I'm kidding. I know it's not. Alright, your question. Oh, what I like to do. Well, I've just been here, so I don't know if we can do that now. But back home, I used to love road trips. Anybody didn't know? I love.
She's like pretty much. What do you call those people? Island tourists.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's like, she's that Jamaican who like tours Jamaica like a tourist. But she's a Jamaican that lives in Jamaica. She's that person.
Like, and because of that, me always be the one who drive because I don't know nowhere.
Yeah, we don't
So,
know anywhere. We don't know nowhere.
You're welcome.
How do you keep your skin flawless? How do you keep your skin flawless? So for one, my skin is not flawless. Like since puberty, I've struggled with acne, and I found different products that kind of help to maintain and keep my skin control. How about you?
I don't really do anything. I mean,
her skin is actually flawless.
No, I consider myself actually really lucky and blessed that I think it has something to do with my genes, I guess. My mom, she didn't have any either growing up, nor my dad, none at all.
Yeah, but everybody have different struggles, right? I don't mind still, like, I'm allowed to wear makeup.
Tell us something about yourself that not everyone knows.
Not everyone knows.
Yes.
Okay, I have to think about that. You want to answer it while I think?
I think you guys don't know that I love to dance. Like, I'm kind of crazy. Like, I'll be listening to music and I'll be dancing in public. Not like vulgar or anything, but you know that girl that you see with her headphones in and just be like feeling.
She is the life of the party.
But I still don't know the name of the music. I just
she don't like the music, but she's just ready for wine anytime, anywhere. She broke out.
Tell us something.
I live with a chronic illness. I won't disclose what it is yet. Yeah,
That's true.
I do. No one really knows. I don't talk about it.
To wrap it up, would you like being famous?
I feel like I would probably prefer to be rich and not famous, but honestly,
I mean, I don't know what it's like being famous.
yeah, true.
So,
I would just keep being real with my peoples, and then the fame would have been different. Yeah, no new friends.
But yeah. Oh,
You have one more question?
me just full of questions. So.
Yeah, she's full of questions. People,
Isn't there 3 of you?
yeah.
That was a question that one of you asked.
So we do like
some of you know us.
Yeah, from high school and Jamaica. Yes, there's 3 of us. It's not 2. So it's our best friend group of 3 of us right now. And we'll insert a picture of all 3 of us somewhere here. I don't know which part it's gonna go, but Kiwana.
I miss
She is the 3rd person in our group, but she lives in Jamaica. So I saw Brittany from her. So I was here by myself, and them 2 was in Jamaica. She's a makeup artist. So go by QT.
Yes.
Yeah.
Get
If you need to get beat, just link her up because she have the good price and she have the skills too. Anyways, guys, it was nice chatting.
It was. This was actually fun.
Yeah, it was fun. I can do this.
I wonder if it's because we're drinking. I don't know.
Maybe.
But thanks for watching. Cheers.
Cheers.
And benches.
All right, guys. Bye.